everyone, this is Ieasha of Decor and Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to be doing a Cricut tutorial, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be using some of this color changing vinyl. Now, this is my first time ever using the color changing vinyl, but I decided I want to try it, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using it on this Dollar Tree mug, as you see right here. So what I'm going to do, I already have my design that I made in Cricut Design Space. I'm going to take that. I'm going to go ahead and load my color changing vinyl into my Cricut right there. And if you don't have a Cricut, you don't have a Cricut mug press or a Cricut easy press, I have links in the description box. It is an affiliate link. I will receive a small commission if you purchase from those links at no extra cost to you. So make sure you go and check them out. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and load my vinyl on my mat, go ahead and cut out my design, and I'm going to come back and show you how to do it. All right, so what I want to show you is that you go ahead and just take, your mat, and you take your vinyl. This is just regular vinyl. It's not HTV or anything. As you see, it has a backing on it, and this is the front part of it. So we're just going to go ahead and take it and place it on our mat, which is the paper side, the paper backing down on the mat, just like so. All right, and go ahead and just place that on your mat. All right, go ahead and feed this through your Cricut, through your machine, and press make my design. And you don't have to mirror anything because it's not HTV. The only time you have to mirror it is if it's HTV, okay, which is heat transfer vinyl. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and press continue. All right, and the light will flash. I don't know if you can see it, but I have some more Cricut tutorials that I'm gonna link in the card section, so make sure you go and check it out. But I'm gonna load it into my machine here and go ahead and cut out my design. All right. So it is finished. So now all I have to do is go in here and weed out my design that I'm going to be putting on my Dollar Tree mug. All right, and let's see how it looks. All right, y'all, so I have cut out my design, as you see right here, and this is what I'm going to put on my mug. I have wine, tea, coffee, and then I have the check mark at wine, the check mark at I choose the W, which is wine. All right. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put it right here on the front of the mug. And I'm going to, it says to use clear transfer tape. So I have this clear transfer tape. It's really strong. So I'm going to be using it to take my design off. Okay. I thought I had some cut, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and go ahead and remove my design and just go ahead and put it on my mug. And what I'm gonna do with my mug, I'm going to take some alcohol and go ahead and clean it off really well. And I do that just to remove any, any dirt or anything that's on the mug. You just want to take some alcohol, and I have my alcohol in this little container that I bought from the Dollar Tree also. All right, so I'm just going to spray it just like so. I hope you've seen that. And just take my paper towel and just wipe it really well. Okay, so that's all you have to do in order to clean anything that you are going to put a decal on. All right, so I have cleaned it off, and I'm going to put it here because I'm right-handed. So actually I'm going to put it on this side, okay, so that you can see it when I'm holding it. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it just like this, and I'm going to place it over my, let's see, I think I might go this way, and just place it like this because you want to catch all of the writing. Actually, I didn't cut it long enough, but as long as it catches, I can put it on here. And I'm going to take my scraper tool, which is this little thing, and just scrape it a little bit like so. All right, let me see. Okay, so just take it and just scrape it lightly so that it it can release onto the transfer tape. All right, and just take it and just pull it off. And if it don't want to come off, sometimes you have to just kind of, you know, pull it a little bit, press it down with your finger and have it to come off. Okay, just like so. All right, just like I'm doing here. You see how it's coming off once now that one came off pretty well. And see, I have to do it for this one. Just take my finger and just kind of press it so that it release on the transfer tape. Okay, just like so. And this one here, I think I'm gonna have to do the same thing. All right. And I'm gonna have to catch the end of this one. All right, so let's see. Hopefully that works really good. I think I could have cut a bigger piece. That's my fault. All right, y'all. So I am going to be adding, as you see, I have applied it to my transfer tape. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on this side of my cup. All right. Let me see. All right. So I'm just going to take it and just put it on the front of this cup. Like so. This is how I'm going to do it. Okay. So I want to make sure it's right. So let me see if y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm just gonna take it and line it up. Let me see, I want it to be like centered. Okay, so let's see. I want to take it up, not too far up, but about right here. Hopefully you can see that. All right, so I'm just going to take it and just rub it down with my finger. Okay, so you see how it looks. All right, let's see if I can turn this down some, this light, because it is a little too bright. Let's see, how do I do it? I don't know how to turn it down. Okay, there it is. Okay. All right, so as you can see right here, it says wine, tea, coffee, check mark. I choose the W, which is wine. All right, so I'm just gonna place it down like so. Rub it a little bit with my hand to get it all on there. All right. Okay. All right, and now I'm gonna take my transfer tape off. All right, and this, remember, this is the color changing vinyl. So we're gonna take it in there and see how it looks once I add some water to it. All right, it's so pretty. Look, y'all. Let me see. Look at it. It is so cute. I love it. Wine. So I put me some wine in here and sip it. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna see how it changes color. So I'm gonna get some water and we're gonna see what color it changed to. Okay, I think it's pink and it changed to purple, but we're gonna check it out. Okay. All right, y'all, so I have a cup of water and I have my cup here. So let me turn it around so we can see how it changed. I don't know if I have to have hot water or what, but this is some cold water that my daughter brought to me. So let's pour it in here and see what it do. Let's see. Let me get a little closer so y'all can see, because we're gonna check this out together. All right, let's see. Did it change? I don't know. Yeah, it's changing. Look, I don't know if you can see it here, but it's changing from pink to purple. This is amazing. I love this. If you can see it, you see right there, the coffee was pink, now it's purple. Oh, that is cool. I like that. And that's completely purple. The tea is purple. If you can see, now the wine is still pink. Maybe I don't think I didn't put enough water all the way to the top to change the wine from pink to purple. But look at that. That's purple, and that's half pink and purple at the bottom. All right. Okay, so you see the bottom of the wine is changing purple also. So I love this, y'all. I love it. This is so pretty. All right. So I hope that you all have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. You subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you a part of the Event Decor and Designs by Ieasha family, where you will see event decorating, you will see balloons, you will see Cricut tutorials, you will see sublimation. All right. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see y'all in my next video.